We are back on our project here. So figuring out a part here for this. I got this piece of metal here that I put a couple bends in. So I'm gonna put him in there. So I'm gonna fold this corner over, do a little notch on him. Seems to fit in there pretty good. I was thinking of putting holes in it, but it would be nice to put the trailer brake switch in there. I want to try and use the holes. So I'll put some holes in this and we'll see how she goes. It, yeah, like that.
It's long to get this part out.
That's good. Now tighten, pump that, and keep an eye on this when it goes. Okay. And it's gonna flex the metal when you're, yeah, little one, right there. Okay, release your pressure. There you go. Perfect. That's your chopping. Oh. Pretty sweet. So now that we got this one here fitted in, he's gonna go basically like that. We're gonna build the exact same size to go over here. Alrighty, got that broke. We'll lay it out a bit and get some holes in that one too. Okay, we got our little piece here. So you can see now, can you see it? Turned out pretty good on the edges. I mean, they still got to get sanded with the DA and primed and everything, but I got to do a notch there for clearance. And then we got our two dash pieces. Made this piece up here. So this is going to be the piece for around the dash. There, hard to kind of see. It runs down by the fuse box there. But I'll get this piece tacked on and then we can test fit our trim that we made. So mounting this, we got this guy here. So we'll get tack welded on there. And then this guy will go across here with a little tab on it and a screw, and we'll have a little tab come out here so we can fasten it there and there. Bracket on that side. I'll just weld on that lip like so. Got the panels tacked up for the bracket, so what I'm going to do now is pull these off, weld the tabs out, and then go through, put the threaded inserts in, buff and clean everything up the best we can get it. We are brainstorming here on what to do about this piece. I'd like to try and keep the glove box in here. I just don't know if the glove box can be narrowed down a bit. Try and make it a little shorter. And still get these two vents to fit in here. That'd be sweet. And then kind of build around. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off here. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cut it off kind of over here a bit. No, I'm gonna just cut this panel out. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna go cut this piece up into parts and then configure something out from there. Ran the tube, leveled this one, and then set the depth on either end so it's square that way, and then marked out to get the same taper down that we had on the other side. So I got this piece here that does fit in there. So I'm gonna have to narrow down, take a strip out of both sides of this, try and get the door smaller. I'm gonna measure out what I need to take clearance and get this part cut. And once that's cut, I can kind of get a better idea of what I gotta do here and come up with a plan. Got that marked? So we got this little piece made here, and we're gonna build another one over here, just like that, with a flange. Okay, we got our 2 pieces tacked in here. And now we're gonna cut this down to fit in there. So, Jace, what we'll do is let's see what we got for a measurement. 15.5 on the bottom, hopefully it's half square. Oh, dead nuts, 15.5. Looking good, JC. Okay, boss, let's tack this together and see how she fits. We got it tacked up and narrowed. We ended up going shorter because we want to be able to inset it a bit. That'll fit in there, eh?
Yeah.
So let's fab up a box that we can put make our glove box compartment behind that with our hinges. And we'll weld this up and grind this flat. We can put our little emblem back on.
Yeah.
And it looks sweet.
Yeah.
Right on. We shortened up the inside, you can see here, and we shortened the framework. There, and there, and there. Because we can cut these flanges down a bit better, and we're gonna build a little box for it to slide right in that hole, in the little cubby hole, right?
Yep.
Well, we got that welded out. We got some tabs on the top, bolted in there, and then we got these guys on the bottom. So the idea will be to set it in and then weld those little tabs on the back side here. So we got that welded in, a couple bolts there, and our bolts there. You can see the 2 welds there. So we'll get on here to this next section of putting this piece in here and building a piece to go under here. There, just like so. So I'll get that welded in. Hello, Austin. Now this is a sweetheart of a unit here. It's just a little shear, Makita shear. So we got to do a little straightening, no big deal. And also when we're gonna put some bends in this, and when we put the bends in, it's gonna straighten it up anyways. There. Oh, that worked her a little. We'll do a little hand dollying on this and get her fixed right up. So we'll lay out the center lines for the holes that we're going to be drilling. Get them center punched, and then we'll get Miles to do the knockout punches on it. Sweet. So here Miles is getting the dimple dies pressed in. He already punched all the holes out. We had one that went a little off camber or a little offset, so we dollied it back out and we got it fixed up. He did a great job and had fun doing it, so that was good to see.
Did it not work?
No, Mom called and it kicked it off. Oh, that's okay. How's that? See what you think. I'd say it looks pretty sweet to me. Approved. We got this end plate bent up here to go on this corner. So I'll get that fitted and welded on. A little tab there. Got a mount welded on there. And there's the mount on that side. So I got those on. before I put that on, I think I'm gonna go ahead and set the depth on the vents. One more. So we got it all reassembled. Wiring hooked up. Test the wiring. I haven't actually tried to see if it all worked or not, but it is. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty sweet. The box. Gonna have to do some adjustments there to get that dealt with, but check out the other side. Started off getting smoky in here, but so anyways, but yeah, for now, so finish out the dash. So we'll see you on the next one.